Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. As you can see here, I'm facing the black screen error on my Windows, and if you are facing the same issue, the black screen error on Windows 11 or 10 laptop or system, this video is for you. I will show you how to quickly fix this issue. So step number 1, you need to press an Control Alt and Delete button together and open your task manager simply. And once you open the task manager, simply restart the Windows Explorer. Look for Windows Explorer here, press W on your keyboard. This one. And restart it. Once you restart it, it should able to fix the issue. If that is not running, Windows Explorer is not running. If you can't find the Windows Explorer, then we can run it with the help of run new task. You just need to type for explorer.exe and run it as admin privileges. Then click on OK. And once you click on OK, you will see your issue will be fixed. But what if the issue is still not resolved? Then just stick to it. Then we can close this. Now close it and we are going to reset our graphic driver. You need to press and hold Control Shift Windows and B key together. And it will basically reset the graphic driver on Windows. And it will basically reset the graphic driver on your Windows 11 or 10. If this is also unable to fix your issue, remove all the external cables from your Windows, including the power adapter. Sometimes the power adapter may cause the issue, and press and hold the power button for 30 seconds or 15 seconds until your system completely shut down. Now release your power button. Then turn it on and see if the issue is fixed or not. If you see any display icons here, that means that the RAM is okay, but issue is related to your OS. Now it is turning on. And even if you can't able to see the screen here, that means that the issue is related to your RAM, not with your OS. But my laptop is not turning on at all when now it is turning on. And by this way your issue should be fixed. If these solutions don't work with your laptop or system, then you can simply remove your RAM, clean it, and thereafter check if that is working for you or not. If that is still not working for you, then I should recommend you to reinstall the fresh window. We make a bootable pen drive and then install the Windows. Sometimes this issue occurs due to Windows update corruption.